Hello, this is Mike Einspar, and this is my introduction video for EDL 852. Uh, I've currently been in education since 1995. I've been a special education teacher my entire career. I've also taught college football. I left the high school ranks for a while ago and coached college football, which was a great experience. My current um, my current assignment is at West Franklin High School in Pomona, Kansas, USD 287. Hired through the Three Lakes Educational Co-op. I currently serve middle school and high school special education students, primarily in the science and math classes. I'm responsible for all modifications, accommodations, IEPs, and whatnot there. Um, I'm currently the head football coach here at West Franklin, also the girls basketball coach. I've had several head coaching experiences in the state of Kansas and in the state of Florida. I've also been a head track coach. When I was coaching college, I was an offensive coordinator. I was also the director of football operations at a major Division I institution. So I've had some very good leadership opportunities from the athletic standpoint, being the head coach of a track team, basketball teams, football teams. Also, as the director of operations, I was responsible for budgets, travel, all day-to-day operations within a football team, uh, recruiting, and whatnot. Um, I feel that one of the reasons that I want to go into administration is that's kind of the next level in education. Um, I, I would like to have more of an impact on the school and the community rather than just my classroom and my sports that I teach. I think I would like to have the ability to help many students across the spectrum. Personally, I'm married. I have three children, eighth grade, fifth grade, and a kindergarten. And by becoming an administrator, I think I can have more of an impact on their educational future and the things that are important to me. So I look forward to visiting and collaborating with all the other people taking this class. Thank you.